Thanks for showing me what love can do. It broke me into two. Should've never believed you when you saw your love like it's your truth. But left out of the blue, now I got nothing to lose. I hate that I still hear your voice all through